Honorable members, our present business in the election is the election of Speaker. I have before me 6 notices of motion proposing the name of Sri Rothindra Bose to be chosen as the Speaker of this House. The first notice of motion is given by Sri Shubhendu Adhikari, Honorable Chief Minister, and seconded by Sri Dilip Ghosh. The second notice of motion is given by Sri Shankar Ghosh and seconded by Sri Jagannath Chattopadhyay. The third notice of motion is given by Srimati Ognimitra Paul and seconded by Srimati Malati Rava Roy. The fourth notice of motion is given by Sri Deepak Burman and seconded by Sri Vishal Rama. The fifth notice of motion is given by Sri Manoj Kumar Onal and seconded by Sri Nadir Chand Bauri. The sixth notice of motion is given by Sri Gopal Chandra Saha and seconded by Sri Gauri Shankar Ghosh. All the notices are in order. Now we shall take up these motions. I first call upon Sri Shubhendu Adhikari, Honorable Chief Minister, to move his motion.
Respected Pro Tem Speaker, sir, I beg to move that Sri Rothindra Bose, a member of this House, be chosen as the Speaker of the House.
Now, I shall put the motion moved by Sri Shubhendu Adhikari, the Honorable Chief Minister, to vote. As many as are of the opinion will please say aye. As many as are of the contrary opinion, please say no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is carried, the motion is carried. I therefore declare Sri Rothindra Bose elected and chosen as the Speaker of this august House. I congratulate Sri Rothindra Bose on his being elected to the high office.